Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome to day 39 of our 60-day health transformation journey. Today we're exploring different fitness classes and activities to keep your workouts exciting and effective. First up, dance-based classes like Zumba. These classes are a fun way to burn calories, improve cardiovascular health, and boost your mood with energetic music and dance moves. Next, yoga. Yoga enhances flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. It's great for relaxation and can be tailored to all fitness levels, from beginner to advanced. Spin classes offer an intense cardiovascular workout. They're perfect for building endurance and burning a lot of calories in a short amount of time. Plus, the group setting can be very motivating. Pilates focuses on core strength, stability, and overall body conditioning. It's excellent for improving posture and flexibility, and it's low impact, making it suitable for everyone. Kickboxing combines cardio and strength training. It's a powerful way to increase stamina, improve coordination, and relieve stress with high-energy movements. Trying different fitness classes can keep your routine fresh and exciting. Whether you prefer dance, yoga, spinning, Pilates, or kickboxing, there's something for everyone. Thanks for joining me on day 39. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we'll discuss the benefits of mindful breathing exercises. Keep exploring and stay active.